In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a shared file without changing the shareable link in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by accessing your Google Drive. So open up your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If it's your first time or you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and input your credentials to log into your account. Now that you're in, the next step is to locate the file you want to replace. You can either browse through your folders or, for a quicker approach, utilize the search bar at the top. Just type in the name of the file and it should pop right up for you. Once you've found the file you want to update, it's time to open the context menu. Simply right-click on that specific file. This will reveal a menu filled with options. From here, you want to navigate to the File Information option. Just hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a submenu appear. In this submenu, go ahead and click on Manage Versions. Doing this will bring up a new window that shows the history of that file. You'll be able to see any previous versions you've uploaded, so don't worry if you had to make changes before. Now let's upload the new version. In the Manage Versions window, you'll notice a button labeled Upload New Version. Click on that. A dialog box will open up, asking you to choose a file from your computer's local storage. Find the updated file that you've worked on and want to replace the old one with. After selecting it, just click Open, and Google Drive will take care of the rest by replacing the old file with this new version. You might be wondering about the shared link. Rest assured, the moment this file is updated, the original shareable link remains unchanged. This means anyone who already has that link will now see the new version of the document automatically, without you needing to send out an updated link or alert anyone about the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a file in Google Drive without needing to change the shareable link. This feature not only saves time, but also keeps everything organized for the people you're sharing it with. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more handy tips and tricks like this. Google Drive has so many features that can make your life easier, and I'm here to help you discover them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your enhanced document sharing experience in Google Drive.